Hello guys, this is Ammar. So in this video I'm going to show you I took a trade yesterday was Sunday. So when it was close to, like, when it was about, when the market of Sunday was about to close, I took a trade and I still placed a limit order, which I sent it to our signal group, like my trading buddies. I sent it to my trading buddies, like my guys when they trade. I sent it to our community on WhatsApp, which is a limited group. Like, the people that are in there are just limited. I just select some people and put them in there. So I drop it for them. I'm making this video only for themselves. For you guys in the group, just like if you see this video, I'm doing this for you guys. So this is the trade. This is how it looks like. I took this first trade. When I took it, I will show you the reason why I took the trade. I took this first trade. I be one that made the trade just reach this place. Then I take my trade. I take profit. If I remember, I dropped this in the group. I dropped the analysis before everything happened. So I be one made the trade this reach here. Then I take my profit and everything. But it didn't. I saw a reversal sign. Then I take profit here. I took my profit around here when I saw reversal sign. So then I waited for this one. Came back, it entered, and I'm still in the trade. We're in a little bit of loss, but hopefully it will play out later. So as I promised you guys, I will be dropping charts and the reason why I took the trade and what I'm seeing in the trade, or what I saw and made me take the trade and everything. So here we are. I'm going to show you step by step. This is an empty chart where I did not draw anything, not like this one that I drew plenty of things. I will show you everything here, what every line mean here and why I draw it. You understand? So let's go. After making analysis of everything, after doing the top down, after I go to monthly, as I told you, monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hours, 2 hours, and 1 hour. I took the trade in 1 hour and monitored it in 5 minutes. So here is it. So after I made all the analysis, I saw this particular place, which is change of character. I saw a change of character right here. That was before all these things happened though. Before all these things happened, just be assuming as if from here to here, this particular place never happened. It's only here that happened. So when I saw this change of character, I drew it. I wrote change of character church. I drew it. Then I saw this fair value gap right here. I saw this thing which you call fair value gap, market fair value, which we are going to put it in the back of our mind that anytime price came back to this, entered this fair value gap, a reaction will follow by. The market will react. Then after the change of character, it left this other block right here. This is the other block that I saw. So after all this happened, I placed my first, then I drew liquidity. Sorry, I know I've been want to skip this one. I drew liquidity. I just drew this thing like this before it happened. I knew this will serve as a liquidity. That's the only thing. That's the only things I need to take my trade. Whenever I want to take a trade, that's the things I look for. then I take the trade, and I saw this high, which will serve as liquidity. This equal lows them to their liquidities. I know price must attack them no matter what. Price must come to them before doing anything that it should do. So after I drew everything that I drew, then I placed my limit order of the half of this Fibonacci, what do they call it, half of fair value gap. I placed my limit order at the half of the fair value gap to just play small scalping, because I know it will not be even if the price came here, I knew it will hardly. I don't want to miss entry. I don't want to start waiting. I don't want to be waiting for it at other block and miss entry, because I hate missing of entries sometimes. So I place my short time sell here at the fair value gap, so that if it comes, I will, you understand, I will just do small, I'll just make small thing inside and take out. You understand? So when I placed it, the price came. As the price came, I saw it enter the fair value gap, but it failed to reach the middle of the fair value gap. That's the half of the 50% of the fair value gap. So I moved my entry. I moved my entry down small to where the price came to. I moved my entry to where the price came to, because my eyes were there. I was monitoring this. Then I placed my take profit at the recent low that was here. So then after that, I still placed another limit order at this other block. At the starting, I placed my stop loss just little pips above the other block. Then I placed my another, like I placed another limit order right here at the other block. This is the other block. This is the fair value gap. I placed one at the fair value gap, then I placed another one at the other block, expecting both of them to play out. So then I placed my stop loss just a couple of pips above this high, this equal lows, which I know price must come there. So but when, nobody knows. Maybe it may be after it takes some, after it makes some correction, or maybe it may even take me out first before going to the direction I'm seeing it at. So nobody can tell. So that was it. That was just it. That was how I did it. That was how I did it. That was just it. And don't forget, there is this trend line liquidity that I saw right here, which this one too will serve as liquidity, because price will attack the liquidity. Some people place their limit or their stop losses below all these lows, this one. So the price may likely attack their liquidity and stop them out. Don't forget, the week just started. Today is Monday. Yesterday was Sunday. So the price already generated during the weekend. During weekends, always price gathers liquidity, buy side and sell side liquidities. So we will expect the price to take anyone that get taken out first. Like if the sell side get taken out first, we will expect the price to come back and take the buy side. If the buy side get taken out first, we expect the price to come back and take the sell side. So for here, we see the price first took out the buy side, which is here, took out the buy side and entered the fair value gap. reacted small. After it reacted small, it went up again to enter the other block. After it entered the other block, it's still in the other block self. It's still in the other block, and it even broke structure. Break structure right here. Which this place may serve as an inducement, because some people will probably think this is another change of character that will make the price continuous to go higher. They may be right. Nobody can tell. Understand? Nobody can tell price to continue to go higher. But don't forget, there is some imbalances here, and there is some liquidities that price have to take out. This place may serve as inducement, but based on what we are seeing. Anybody that places stop loss below this low will be a liquidity pool, likely be a liquidity pool. So we don't do that. We just started. So that's it. Okay, that's not it. Sorry. I will tell you the reason why I took my profit right here before the price reached this place. I took my profit right here when I saw this movement. Then when I was monitoring the chart before this happened, after the click to this fair value gap, after I moved my entry below the 50% of the fair value gap, after I moved my entry below the 50% of the fair value gap, I strolled down to the 5-minute chart to be monitoring my chart, my trade. Let me remove this. Let me just do it. I came down to the 5-minute chart to be monitoring the trade, because to be monitoring trade in 1 hour time frame sometimes is kind of not funny. So I was seeing this movement, bam 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 bam, it's moving. I saw it take out this low. After I take out this low, what am I even saying? Let me see something. I gotta think. Oh my, don't forget to. I forgot what happened. I swear. I can't remember, and I can't lie. I don't lie. So I just saw some reversal sign. Let me just say I saw some reversal sign, because I can't remember what happened. Honestly, it was since yesterday. I can't remember what really happened. I saw some reversal sign. I am trying to figure out what did I saw, because I saw something and I knew something happened. I knew something happened, but I can't remember what exactly. So let's just round up. I saw reversal sign. Maybe it was this FBD step. As I see the price enter this FBD, I see some retracement. Broke this structure. When it broke the structure, the price did not come back there. I'm lying. I can't remember. Let's round up. As I was saying, I saw some reversal sign, but I don't know why they are not in this chart, because I'm using Bybit. So my yesterday's analysis was on Bybit. It was like the reversal sign that I saw and everything that made me step out of the market of here after this movement. The reversal sign was on Bybit chart, but it wasn't here. After making this movement, the price break structure right here. After it broke structure, this price right here came back around this the other block where they here, like it feels some imbalances. But here, I don't know why it didn't came back. Let me show you what I'm talking about. This is the Bybit Binance chart self, but it still happened exactly the same even on Bybit. So here it is. This is where I made the analysis. This is where I saw it. Here is the 5 minute where I monitor my chart of yesterday. I took the trade. It moved my way, my direction. Then it came right here. It swept this liquidity, swept this one. Some couple of pips. And then it turned and broke this structure right here. Break up structure right here. After it broke structure, I knew that's some type of reversal sign. I knew the price would likely reverse. So after I I'm only expecting the price to come back to this zone somewhere around here. When it came back somewhere around here, I will take my profit. I'm stepping out the market. So after I did all it does, it came back zoom straight with a wick. As it just came back with this wick, it came back inside this fair value gap to fill it. It came back to fill this fair value gap with it right here, this small fair value gap. When it just came back, I stepped out of the market. I took my profit right here. Then I left the chart, the price to keep going. It came and tapped the other block, and after it tapped the other block, it still delivered small. When it delivered, I was watching it. I even went and sleep. So it went back. It's still in the other block, Sha. It's still in the other block. Everything can happen. It's either the price went straight to our stop loss and take us out, or it will deliver as we predicted. That's just the mindset everybody have to grow in the trading space. So that's it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe now, please.